Hello. This is Handicorn's first day of school.
Hello, my name is, wait, let me turn, hello, my name is Handicat, and I would like to present to you, wait, let's do a cool trick. Handicat and Handicorns, you have to do the same thing that I've been doing at the start. Handicat and Handicorn's first day of school. So let's
I'm so excited to learn how to read and write. Teacher, can you show me how to read a book?
No, we gotta get our backpacks first.
Oh, I already put my backpack away in my cubby. Oh, look, it's Principal Truman. Hi, Principal Truman. How are you doing today? Rah, 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 rah. Oh, hi, Truman.
It wants to eat.
Hey, I'm Principal Truman. Principal Truman, are you going to give me a fix-it ticket? Ow, Principal Truman. Ow, Principal Truman, did you bite me? Principal Truman. Principal Truman, are you going to give me a fix-it ticket? Can I get some lion loot? Yay, I got Principal Truman.
I got my backpack on.
Okay, here comes my teacher. She's going to teach us how to read.
No.
Get a book, teacher.
No.
Teacher, I want to learn how to read.
I'm going to pack my favorite animal.
Oh, here comes Principal Truman again. Principal Truman. Principal Truman, what big teeth you have. Principal Truman. Principal Truman. You have such big teeth, Principal Truman. They're so shiny and beautiful.
Stop
Mr.
petting
Truman.
the principal.
Yeah,
Stop petting the principal.
he could get in trouble for that. Principal Truman. Principal Truman. Principal Truman. Principal Truman.
Hey, get away.
Okay.
I got
Anyway, I didn't learn much in school today, but it is what it is.
Let's get to school on time.
Principal Atticus. Assistant Principal Atticus. Oh no, that's head of maintenance Atticus. Atticus. Oh well, he's ignoring us. Principal
Get away,
Truman.
principal. This is not nice.
Ah.
Get away, get away from him.
Oh, it's head of maintenance Atticus.
Let's change.
Atticus. Head of maintenance Atticus. Oh, sorry. Uh-oh. I got a fix-it ticket. I got a fix-it ticket from head of maintenance Atticus.
Get away from him. Get away from him.